Hey Glam Squad, welcome back to another episode of Beginner's Guide to Makeup, the series that helps busy women with their makeup struggles in just a few easy steps. Today I'm going to show you how to create this very festive party eye makeup look, and you literally will not believe how easy this look is. But before we get into the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and got some value from it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more makeup lessons just like this one. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So for this lesson, you're only going to need a couple of things. You'll need a neutral toned eyeshadow palette and just one matte brown eyeshadow. Then you'll need some sort of liquid glittery eyeshadow, just like this one. This one's from Pixie. It actually has a black base and then gorgeous like glitter going through it. And then you can finish off with some mascara or lashes of your choice. Of course, I'm going to be using my brand new lash collection. How freaking exciting. So first up, you're going to need your matte brown shade. This can be a medium to dark brown eyeshadow depending on your preference, and you want to take this on a fluffy blending brush. So I'm starting by applying this back and forth across the crease of the eye in windshield wiper motions, just blending the color right on there and then creating like swirling motions, like blending it up towards the brow bone. And now you can see I'm just packing on the color onto the lid. I just want a sheer amount of color on the lid because I am going in with a liquid kind of glittery eyeshadow, and it does have a black base, so I don't really need to do this for this particular liquid eyeshadow. But if you have any liquid eyeshadows that are a little bit sheerer, it is good to have that base down just so you don't see any of your skin peeping through, so it's going to be completely covered. So once you're happy with the amount of pigment on there, like I said, you can go as light or as dark as you like. You could then go in with your liquid eyeshadow. So this is a nice glittery one from Pixie, and it's very easy to use actually. You can use the wand and literally look down into a mirror, carve out your crease and then fill it in. It's so super easy, and as you can see, it's really pigmented, very similar to the metallic shadows that I use with Morphe in one of my last videos, but this is just more glittery, so it's perfect for the festive season, and I really wanted to use it today. I haven't had a chance to use it yet. They also have a day version of this liquid glitter eyeshadow in like a pinky rose gold shade, and I have a tutorial on that, so I will leave that linked above this video and also in the description box. So once you have it in place, just make sure you're looking down into a mirror until it's completely dry because it can transfer everywhere. And then you can go back with your blending brush and just very gently go around the edges just to kind of blend out the harsh lines, but don't blend it too much because trust me, the glitter just ends up going everywhere, which I learned from doing this tutorial. But you just want to kind of softly blend out the edges just so it's not so harsh. And then you can finish off with the mascara, some lashes. You can pop a little bit of black liner in the waterline. That will really tie the whole look together and make your eyes look a little bit smaller and more sensual as well. It's just beautiful. And I'm finishing off with my beautiful lashes in the style Lambo. These are one of the dramatic styles of lashes from my collection. They're made from faux mink and silk. They're cruelty free and vegan. They have a black cotton lash band and they're super easy to apply, and you can use them up to 25 times as well. They are honestly one of my favorite in my collection. So that is pretty much it. I really hope you enjoy this super simple festive party look. If you do recreate this look, please do let me know. Tag me, let me know in the comment section. Really want to chat with you guys, and also let me know what types of looks that you'd like to see on my channel for the new year. I feel like I've done a lot of the main kind of lessons, so let me know if there's anything I've missed or anything that you'd find very beneficial, or anything that you're struggling with. I really hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe before you leave for more makeup lessons just like this one. See you next time.